Hey everyone, again, this is Thomas at mgnclassiccars.com coming to you from Addison, Illinois on this gloomy, windy day here. So today I have the pleasure of, yes, in front of me, this 1970 Dodge Charger in restored condition. Beautiful example of a 1970 classic vintage muscle car. This thing has been restored in beautiful orange paint all around, wet sanded, buffed out, paint correction, and paint sealed to a smooth silk finish. Gorgeous all around with like new bumpers, all the bezels, all the trim around the windows, dual exhaust, beautiful upgraded aluminum billet wheels. It's got kind of that factory look to them, but they are staggered a little bit, which we'll go over. Excellent emblems. Windows are tinted, as you can see. I'm going to back off a little bit here. Excellent stance for a great ride too. 4-wheel power disc brakes upgraded on this gorgeous Mopar. Excellent front grille. Yes, the lights do open and close like they should. Look at that finish on that chrome. Beautiful. Great shiny reflection. High-end paint job. Beautiful glass. Obviously we got the wing vented windows. Excellent mirror, side mirror, door handles all around, the trim all around the car and the emblems. Roofline is excellent along with the trunk lid. And then you have the famous black stripe in the back. Okay, this is not a real RT, so let's get that out of the way. But a gorgeous restored car. All right, so we'll start the car up, couple pumps. Starts right up. Let's listen to the exhaust. Doesn't that sound good? All right, let's see how the engine sounds. .440 power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes. So lights right there. Show you guys that they do work. All right. Restored interior. It's got a little orange stitching there. Really nice material. Nice package tray. Excellent headliner. Dash pad, all the weather stripping, door jambs, door sill plates, and everything works. So we'll go for a little test drive. Believed to be 64,519 original miles on this car. Check this out. Yes, you heard it correct. All the gauges function, except the clock is not working. Stereo works, heat, defrost. Beautiful interior. Let's go for a little ride. Trips the tires whenever you want them. It's a great great example of a restored 70 Charger that's still somewhat affordable. These things are getting out of hand. I'm gonna roll up the window. We're gonna get on the freeway. There we go. Trans does have a shift kit in it with the 8 3/4 posi Dana rear, 8 3/4 rear end. It's not a Dana, sorry. It's an 8 3/4 rear end posi unit, and the 4-wheel disc brakes perform, and they bite. They bite the concrete really good. RPM tach does function as well. And the radio is a new radio. It does turn on, but it says protect on it. I don't know what that means. It's a brand new radio. It needs to be synced, I believe. I really don't know how to use these new technology radios, I'll be honest with you. But it is an AUX connection for your phone. Steering is really tight on this car. All new weather stripping. Headliner is perfect. Sun visors. Interior is super nice. The guy must have spent a fortune on this car. If you'd have to restore a Charger, it probably cost you, I don't know, buy the car for 20, 30, and then restore it again like this for another at least 60, 70 grand. The quality is nice on the car. It's a quality classic muscle car, guys. Punch list on my car because everything does work. So whoever comes out and sees this in person and drives it, well, you're not going to drive it. I don't allow test drives, to be honest with you. That's why I do these videos. Anything can happen, and I'm not going to put myself in that position. So I apologize about that in advance. And due to COVID-19, we can't even go for a test drive together of anyone sitting next to me because it's within 6 feet. And I'm not taking that chance and that risk, and you shouldn't be either. So that's why I do these videos. I'm by myself. I talk about the car, the good, the bad, the ugly. Everything about the car, so when you get it, you're not complaining. Yes, it is an old car, but this is a rebuild car, and it's very reliable. So the exterior, there's not a scratch on the car. The paint is near perfection. The interior's all been redone. The suspension, the brake lines, the fuel lines. This is a quality classic car. It's in very good condition. No rot, no rust. Drives excellent. No overheating. Wipers do work too, see that? Horn, as you know, it does work. You heard that before. So if you need delivery, send me your zip code. If we're ready to make a purchase, call me. If you just have questions, email me or text me. I'm a one-man show. I'm busy. I'm doing videos. I'm returning emails, and 100% buyer and seller on eBay. Great reviews. 100% transparency on these classic cars. And I try to keep myself honest and trying to show everything on the cars. It's hard to show everything, but all the main stuff I do go over. If you need delivery, like I said, let me know. If you need financing, if your score is between a 650 and a 700, call my guy Chris Laganelli at 508-415-1035. That's JJ Best. And if your score is over 700 into the 800s, hop on your computer, go to lightstream.com, fill out the application, and they'll approve you in 15 minutes. We'll get this car delivered right to your doorstep. You can email me at bestofbest71@yahoo.com. You can call me or text me at 847-848-1850. Let's get this Charger in your garage. You guys know it's hard to find these things, and when you make calls, they're already sold. This one, as of now, is available. mgmclassiccars.com. Thank you.